All of my storage doors outside. I'm not using them. And this was for a queen size bed, and I'm making it a full size, and I want that pocket there for a small dresser with 3 drawers or 2, nightstand, and then I want one on that side too. Anyway, so this is how I reuse all the materials from the bunk house, all that material I'm using. So like the thin weight panel, I just flip it backwards, and I covered up. Here's one. I just did this. So I put the silicone glue or sealer behind it. I haven't decided yet, but this is the major intake for water. So I think I'm going to go ahead and leave it like, I might plug those up and leave the water intake hose, and then just put a box around it and then plug that thing up. Anyway, over here is the huge cavity that had the sink, stove, and refrigerator, and that sealed up, and I used foam to cut out and put in that cavity, and then I used the panel, flipped it over, and used that. And I got to take the screws out of that. I haven't done that yet, but that's done. Let's see. Oh, I put my wallpaper up. I wanted wallpaper. This is paintable wallpaper. I'm going to just paint it, and the ceiling is really dirty, so I'm going to repaint it. Yeah, it didn't take that long to do all that. And let's see. Going to do, oh, here's my new wallpaper. That's my new wallpaper. Let me open up the door and see if you can see it better. I need to get new latches for the door. They're cracked and busted. But anyway, that is gorgeous. So I have it up right there temporarily because this frame on the super slide, I'm going to do a glaze on it to, I just want to make it pop out. I don't know. And then I'm going to put something in the diamonds. And then, you know, I kept my cornice boards, the window treatments, I kept those. Someone needs to get a hold of one of these RV places. A decorator needs to come in and do a farmhouse, a beach scene. You know, the brown that was here, that you'll see the before and after, that's good manly. The carpet's going, of course I said that. The floor's going. And I redid the countertop, as you can see that. You'll see a better job. I'm still working it. And all the black electrical, I painted those. There's some of them that I'm going to replace and remove for the office, sewing room. And I still haven't decided on what I'm going to do about that refrigerator. Oh no. I mean, it's a lot to tear up, but I don't know. I haven't decided. I've got so much to do. So I primed all the walls with the paper so I can go back over it with paper so it'll stick right. So that's what I got going. Oh yes, and I did reupholstery one of the cornice boards with those 3-layer pieced up. I dissected it and I wanted to see what it's going to look like, as I have the coordinating fabric that I like. And I really liked them in here, not in the bedroom and not in the office, just in this area. I really thought they would look good reupholstered. So I got one done, and when the wallpaper comes up, I only did one. I'll hold it up there and see if it's worth it. If it's not, then I'll do something else. So that's that. Okay. Okay, this is my bedroom, and I cut that cavity out, the storage. I still have storage. You can lift the lid. I put a frame under the top, sealed it off, and I used all this wood that come out of the bunkhouse. So I didn't buy anything new. Closed in that door outside. Ready for the wallpaper. It's going to go over it like that. I'm going to prime the side. All this is going to be white, like it is now. And then on the top here, that was just that press wood where I cleaned it, and I put these cheap tiles on it because I want my mattress clean, just in case I need to flip it. And it'll be a full-size mattress. That looks really good. And I'm going to put some under the sinks. And there's that one. And I'm still working on the electrical. One thing at a time. Enjoy. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Ceilings painted. The new lights are going in. Yes. Painted this called Ancient Marble. Very nice. Go really nice with the wallpaper. Okay.